Hi, today we are going to be reading words with the ow sound. Ow is the sound you make when you're hurt, actually. Ow, like I bumped my elbow. Ow. And the two letters that can say ow are O-W together, and the other two letters are O and U together. So O-W again says ow. O-U again says ow. Let's first do a little warm-up. I will say some sounds, and you tell me the word. Ready? House. Yes, house. Ow. Yes, now. Ow. Yes, cow. All right, we're going to read some words that have the ow sound. This is a picture of an owl. Owl begins with the ow sound. Ow, o, owl, right? That's O-W, and then L. That makes the word owl. O and U also say ow. Let's sound out every single letter or sound in this word and then blend them together. Remember, C and L together can be a consonant blend, so as we become better readers, you put those sounds together, but we separate them when we are sounding it out. Let's read this word. K, oo, ow, clown. Let's read this word. K, oo, ow, d, cloud. Again, clown, cloud. Let's read row 1. We're going to tap every sound and then blend them together. That's called decoding and blending. We break it apart and we put it back together. That's how we become good, super readers. If you can read these the fast way, pause the video and then unpause it or press play again to check yourself. Here we go. K, ow, cow. Sh, out, shout. For own, frown. Cloud, cloud. Owl, growl. Fast way. Cow, shout, frown, cloud, growl. Row 2. Ooh, room. Flew, flew. Loud, loud. Crowd, crowd. Group, group. That's a tricky one because it doesn't say group. And that one is in there probably so that we can talk about it. Sometimes OU says ow and sometimes it says ooh. And it just depends because you know group is not a real word, especially if you're saying I was in a group of people. That didn't make sense. I was in a group of people would make more sense. Row 3. Firm. Ow, how. Spark, spark. Or store. Clown, clown. Let's read these the fast way. Fern, how. Spark, store, clown. I think I forgot to read row 2 the fast way, so you go ahead and do that yourselves, okay? Let's pause the video and I want you to try to read these 2 sentences with fluency. Fluency means to read the way that you talk so that it doesn't sound like a robot, so that you sound like you're talking. We use accurate speed, which means talking fast enough or reading fast enough. We use intonation, making our voices go up and down, especially with a question mark at the end of the word. And we have these words to know. These are high frequency words. We have you, Y-O-U, you. Hear, like I can hear with my ear. Please, that's a polite manners word. Do, and we have the word school. We all know the word school because we see it everywhere, every day when we go to school. Let's read this sentence together using fluency. Did you hear that loud growl? Again, did you hear that loud growl? The more you read this sentence, the more fluent you will become. If you had a hard time reading this word, it is loud, loud, and growl, growl. Let's read the second sentence using fluency. Please do not shout out loud in school. Again, if you had a hard time sounding some of these words out, it's sh, out, shout, out, loud, loud. Let's read this again with fluency. Please do not shout out loud in school. Now, stay tuned for another decodable reading using more of these, or reading more of these words with the ow sound and with our words to know. Have a great day.